Hello guys! Are you planning to visit Sagada soon? If yes, then let me share to you yung accommodation na pinagstayan namin. For only 500 pesos per person per night, nasa sentro ka na at malapit ka pa sa different tourist spots. Kaya naman, join me as I give you a tour of our accommodation. After almost 6 hours ng trip natin from Baguio to Sagada, we have finally arrived dito nga sa Sagada Town Center. And pagkababa nga natin ng bus, diretso na tayo agad dito sa kanilang tourist assistance. And katabi nga nitong tourist assistance is the Ganduyan Museum already. And yung accommodation natin is just about 2 minutes walk away from this area. So just to give you an idea kung gaano kalapit yung ating accommodation for today, ayan, yung binilugan natin. Diyan tayo magstay and literally sobrang lapit niya sa different tourist spots. Because of its location, sobrang dali nyo na lang ikutin ang buong Sagada Town Center. Kasi from our accommodation, makikita na natin yung municipal tour information center, yung public market, and the different restaurants na kilala sa Sagada. Itong buong street na to actually is where you can find yung mga restaurants and cafes. Ayan sila. So there's a lot of souvenir shops din dito sa area na ito, our yogurt house. Ayan. So itong buong street na ito going down is talagang mga yan restaurants. And so instead of kumbaga driving, you can just simply walk down. Then after that one, pwede kayong bumalik sa ating accommodation. And dito naman sa taas na part, ito yung mga tourist spots na ng Sagada. So we have here yung hospital din, just in case you have an emergency, malapit na lang kayo sa hospital. And nandito na din yung St. Mary's Episcopal Church. Ayan, so it's approximately about 5 to 10 minutes walk away from our accommodation. And dito na rin actually yung main entrance papunta nga doon sa ating Eco Valley. So dito sa Eco Valley, dyan natin madadaanan yung kanilang cemetery and the hanging coffins of Sagada. Ayan. So after ninyong mag-tour dyan, pwede na kayo ulit maglakad papunta or pabalik sa inyong accommodation. Speaking of accommodation, ito na nga yung ating pinagstayan dito sa Sagada. So yung pinagstayan natin is parang 5-story house siya. Ongoing pa din yung kanyang construction pero pwede nang tirhan or pwede nang pagstayan yung kanilang 3rd floor. So simulan na lang muna natin dito sa kanilang pinaka rooftop or the 5th floor. So ganito yung view from here. So literally we can enjoy yung mountain view ng Sagada. So yung mga nandito sa baba are also other accommodations in this area. Ayan, so this is how it looks like or this is what to expect pag nagstay kayo dito sa accommodation na ito. So may mga accommodation tayo doon sa bandang dulo pero syempre mas malayo na din sila sa town center. Meron din silang mga water tanks dito kaya hindi magiging problema yung ating water supply. And dito nga sa area na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano tayo kalapit doon sa mismong tourist information center. And in this area parang ito na yung pinakamataas kaya hindi talaga tayo natatabunan ng ibang building. So doon sa area na yon is yung area your pinaka-sentro mismo ng Sagada. So ganyan kalapit and doon nga banda yung church na minention ko kanina and the Eco Valley. Dito sa 4th floor, ongoing pa din yung kanilang construction and according sa owners, around October or November this year, 2023, matatapos na lahat ng kumbaga construction or yung pinapagawa nila dito. So talagang this one is a brand new house or transient house na can accommodate a large number of people. Ayan, so ipapakita ko sa inyo yung area or the rooms kung saan kami nagstay. So itong 3rd floor has 4 rooms and we have occupied 3 rooms kasi medyo madami-dami kami. Ito yung kanilang parang double decks na room Ayan, so hindi pa talaga finish yung mga paintings, mga ganyan, pero pwede na siyang pagstayan as of now. Ayan, so sa mga nanonood ng ating video, again, I have to remind you na ongoing pa din yung construction ng kanilang transient house, kaya medyo magulo pa. Ayan, hindi pa masyadong organized yung ibang areas, pero pwede na siyang tuluyan. Ayan, so before kami mag-check out, I'll take advantage of taking videos of this. Ayan, so medyo magulo kasi kaka-check out nga lang namin, pero dito may window siya and may parang balcony or terrace dyan, so pwede kayong mag-coffee dyan, magkwentuhan, mag-inuman, or smoke while enjoying the view of Sagada outside. Ayan, so ganito yung isang room nila, and may ano na rin pala ito, may hot and cold shower na din sila. Ayan, and dito naman ako nagstay sa room na ito. So this one is actually bigger than. Ayan, so double decks rin. And right now punta naman tayo sa kanilang second floor. So dito sa second floor is mainly yung kanilang lobby or the receiving area. Ayan, so it has a wide space. So itong area na ito is where we had our drink last night. So dyan kami tumambay, nag-inuman kasi medyo malamig nga sa labas. And they have yung dining area here and yung kanilang kitchen. So I don't know exactly kung anong magiging itsura nito after several months, pero definitely I will be giving you another tour of this accommodation pag talagang natapos na siya. Kasi ngayon talagang magulo pa siyang tignan, 'di ba? Pero at least you already know what to expect just in case na mag-check-in kayo dito nga sa transient house na ito. And finally, punta naman tayo sa kanilang first floor. So itong first floor is actually a restaurant. So hindi nyo na kailangang lumayo-layo pa if you wanted to try Sagada or authentic Sagada food, kasi dito mismo would be restaurant na pwedeng dayuhin ng mga tourists. So, nandyan na actually yung mga tables and chairs. Ito yung parang kitchen and bar area. And this would be the toilet area and some rooms. Then, ayan. So, makikita ninyo yung mga foams for the beds. Talagang naka-ready na silang lahat. Ayan, including the toilets. Here, ayan, brand new talaga silang lahat, and I'm really excited na ipakita yung finished na accommodation after several months. So, ilang months na lang talaga, then finally, mas ma-appreciate nyo itong transient house na ito. So, abangan ninyo yung ating accommodation tour pag natapos na itong kanilang transient house. And if you're also interested na magstay dito, then you can just simply contact the phone numbers dyan, or you can simply message us sa aming Lone Traveler page. So, that's all for today. Abangan ninyo yung ating part 3 ng ating mga different tourist spots sa Sagada. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next vlog.